Boom. We're live just like that. Happy Thursday coming at you early this morning, 9:31 a.m., about a minute late. We're going to be joined here by Heinisch, top 20 UFC fighter in the world, as well as the Moon King, who, to his credit, did call the bottom this year. He did call the bottom. He was within $100. He said 17.5. I think we went all the way down to 17.660 or something like that. So he did call the bottom. He'll be joining us as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the crypto market is absolutely pumping. We're going to be covering that and more. We're also going to be doing a $5,000 HBAR giveaway on the stream tonight. So if you have not entered into that giveaway, all you have to do is go to my Twitter page at Jake Gagan and retweet the pin tweet. And send your HBAR address to this account. But as always, guys, make sure to smash that like button if you're joining us here today. We got Bree in the house. Shout out to our girl, Bree. The Moon King is here. Moon King, you're supposed to be on the show. What are you doing? AJ Poo is in here. Jennifer Flores and Say What? But let's bring in our first guest of the evening, Ian the Hurricane Heinisch. Ian, how are you doing, my brother?
Jake, what's up, man? I'm doing good. You know, just getting these hard workouts in and really pumped, man, to get on the show. Just been reading some news. You know, obviously the crypto markets are pumping. We thought we were pumping, man. And, you know, me and you thought it was going to go lower. And, you know, 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧 did call it. He's like, no, it's not even going to go low. And, you know, honestly, you know, we wanted to buy in, but we're not going to be mad that, you know, crypto's pumping because our portfolios are going up. And I wanted to discuss some things today, too. Like, I feel I'm a little nervous, like just reading this whole lawsuit with Coinbase. Like, what's going on? Is Coinbase going to be the next Voyager? Like, I don't see it just because Coinbase is such a powerhouse. But there's some huge things going on with the SEC, some litigations against Coinbase, you know, basically saying inside trading is going on and they're in a lot of debt. Like, and you know, but I mean, we'll discuss more of that today. But thanks for having me on the show, man.
Yeah, absolutely. And I still have about I have a little bit of Cardano on there, so maybe I need to get it off. I can't store it in my my safe pal, so I need to get it off. Happy to have you here. We're going to talk Coinbase. We're going to talk that and more. But let's bring in our third guest of the evening, 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧, the Moon King, who was just with Sue Gagan in Tampa. Was that a video I saw? That's how you know the bottom is in. What the hell? He's in the ocean.
What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy.
Bro.
Live in the ocean. We're gonna go further. We're gonna go further in the ocean. Roots.
Drinking a margarita.
Back at it again. I'm literally head deep into the ocean, boys.
Bro, hey, how hot is that bathwater in the Gulf? How hot is that bathwater?
Dude, this is like lukewarm piss water up in this thing, man.
Yeah,
but it feels good, man. It allows you to just go deep in and just enjoy life and pick the seashells out of the freaking ocean.
Pick the seashells out. You're in 6 feet deep of water.
I'm literally 6 feet deep right now.
Don't drown on us here. Don't drown on us here. But let's take a quick look here at the market, gentlemen. The market is absolutely, as Ian Heinisch said, pumping a $1.1 trillion market cap, up 10% on the day. Bitcoin, 24,000. Ethereum, $17,032.
Hold on. Wait. Just the other day, you were very bearish, Jake.
I was.
You were so bearish, man. And I told you so.
I was. I can't lie about
that. Calm down, relax. It's all part of the news. Hold on a second. I think I got a good seashell. Shit, I lost it.
Yeah, I was.
But,
I
yeah,
was
man.
Look, I was bearish because the U.S. Well, the news doesn't make sense. It's like the news came out that where the U.S. is in a recession and the crypto market pumps. It's like I think we just needed some sort of news, some sort of confirmation, but it wasn't good news. It's not like we said like we weren't. Like the White House is changing the definition of a recession. We've been in we've had 2 negative quarters of GDP. We're in a recession, and crypto's up 10% of the day.
How many? Okay, let me put it this way. How many people we got watching right now?
72.
How many likes do we have?
Haven't checked. Let's see. 20 likes, guys. 72 people in here. Smash those likes and
𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧 we get to
50.
Let me see 100 likes, and I'm gonna give some alpha.
All right, smash that like, guys. Smash that like. We're gonna get some alpha. Sue Gagan said, "Love 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧. You got to meet up with the Moon Queen, Sue Gagan. How was that meeting up with Sue Gagan?
Mama Sue, what's up?
I told you. She's great, huh? She's a great lady.
What's up, Ian? I didn't even get to say what's up to you, man. You're here just chilling in the background.
Well, 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧, you know, welcome to America. You know, I'm glad you made it and enjoying your trip out there in the beautiful ocean. I know you're on the other side, but man, isn't it an amazing place? I know you want to buy a house down here at some point.
You
Hopefully,
already know the Moon King is plotting. He's really plotting. And to be honest with you, I do like the east side better than the west side.
Nah, bro. Nah, now you're.
I'm sorry,
You're
man.
on the east side, Ian. Ian, you're on the east side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
bro.
Sorry. I had a really hard training session. I'm still trying to recover. Yeah, bro. The west side is not as good, honestly.
Damn, bro.
I mean,
Oh,
sorry,
that's
bro.
my
I know you're
side.
from there, bro, but
My
like
side.
the Caribbean, bro. It's the Caribbean
No, I agree.
Ocean, and you know they're both. I mean, Florida is amazing, guys. Like
America.
whatever side, America. You know, welcome to America, bro. Where freedom is free.
What's up, Dom? Yeah, I like the East Coast better. It's closer to Miami. I like Fort Lauderdale. We might be moving there, B-Roots.
I'm not gonna lie. The color of this is like Texas lakes. So I mean, it's very similar to Texas.
It looks so nice, bro. I'm
No,
super
but
jealous. Guys, can someone real
absolutely.
quick? Can Bree or somebody, Jennifer, maybe someone in the stream, take a photo of this and post it on Twitter and tag me so we can retweet it. This is like an iconic memory in Crypto Kings. Let's all smile. Someone take a screenshot or a picture, and I'm gonna post it on Twitter.
we got a new thumbnail.
We got a new
thumbnail for the next video.
Absolutely.
It is. It's just iconic. Yeah, we all
That's
do that.
so bullish.
It's just iconic. But let's get back to crypto real quick, guys. Everything is pumping. Let's take a quick look at all of our favorite altcoins here on the day too. Volt Inu up to a $63 million market cap, up 10% on the day. BTFA up 0.94% on the day, currently under a $7 million market cap. Colt up 3% on the day, reclaiming an $83 million market cap. And Revolt absolutely bussing like we've never seen before.
All-time highs. B-Roots, where's your dance?
4633.
B-Roots, I told you I should have took my big can out.
Look at that. Keeps going up and up and up and up and up and up. And when is it going to stop? I don't know. Just keep on going up.
That shit is pumping.
B-Roots, I told you I should have sold that half Bitcoin and put in Revolt.
Hey,
just kidding, man.
In my opinion, not financial advice. You hold your Revolt, you end up with 50 Bitcoin before you even know it.
You did sell it, right? And put it in, right?
Yeah, I did.
Good. I was going to say that would be you probably would be
question.
hurt right now.
Do you have more than 0.5 Bitcoin right now?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Absolutely.
I almost have a full Bitcoin.
Damn.
Woo! Look at
In Revolt. In
He's
Revolt.
great.
So B-Roots, you're right, man. I got to give it to you. And B-Roots, I know you're loving the Florida life. Obviously, yes, you like the East Coast more than the West. What is the coin that is going to be able to allow you to buy the house of your dreams on the East Coast of Florida?
That's gonna be tough. It's either going, in my opinion, it's gonna be Colt or Pulse Chain. But hell, they both pump. I might have one on the East Coast and the West Coast. Why not?
Right next to
I gotta
Sue
have
Gagan.
one next to Mama Sue and one next to the Crypto Kings, lined up, all three of us.
Let's go. That would be
And
awesome.
then our fourth
man.
house would be our streaming house.
I like that. So like you guys see at the bottom, 100 likes and B-Roots dropped some major alpha. If you haven't yet, guys, like the stream. I'm going to give B-Roots some flowers where they're deserved. He's been right a lot. He's definitely one of the most intelligent people in crypto. He's the most entertaining man, but he's right a lot. Like I said, guys, he's called the Bitcoin bottom 17,500. I think it went to 17,666 or something like that. Incredibly close. And then you were right about this most recent pump. A lot of us, I mean, dude, I thought it was going to dump. I thought it was going to be more bearish news. We're seeing a pump here. Now you're chilling in the Gulf of Mexico.
Chilling in the ocean,
drinking
not
some
caring about what
margaritas,
price does.
having fun. Yeah.
I'm not caring about what price does because I believe we're going to be going up for the next, up and sideways and up, faking a lot of people. It's really for the traders. This is where the traders get demolished because they all think it's going to go down. And really, we're just going sideways. If you remember what we did, and I said it back when we were at 30K, going from 30K to 60K over and over and over and over again, we're just going sideways while everybody else is trying to guess when and what's going to happen. Like I said, we get to 100 likes, I'll give you that alpha.
We're almost there. We're climbing. Yeah, we're climbing. We're at 51, guys. So if you haven't yet, smash that like button. Jimmy said Colt DAO in simple terms at B-Roots. What is Colt DAO in simple terms?
What was that? I didn't hear that.
Jimmy Hill, who we met in Arizona at the Scottsdale house. He said,
Yeah.
Colt DAO. Can you explain Colt DAO in simple terms?
In simple terms, Colt DAO is the most deflationary coin out in crypto right now. Every trade that you make burns Colt. We also look at it as like the BlackRock of crypto. It's a VC company, so it invests in decentralized coins with the amount of taxes that we give out. which is 0.5. Right now, we're sitting at about 700. Last time I checked, I didn't check much because, I'm on vacation. But last time I checked, we were at 730 Ethereum in the treasury. What that means is we have 730 Ethereum to invest in decentralized projects. When that Ethereum gets sent out there, what happens after that? If it 10x's, or how much ever Ethereum we decide to go with, if it 10x's, say we put 13 Ethereum, we now have 130 Ethereum just in that project alone. What happens once we get those gains from that project? It buys and burns Colt. Like I said, hold up.
You fogged it up.
That's the motion water there. It buys and burns Colt. So what does that mean? That means not only that every trade burns Colt, when we come back and all those investments buys and burns Colt, the amount of Colt that's going to be left on the market is going to be very little. So my Colt is staked for minimum, in my opinion, 2 to 3 years. Why? Because what we've seen in the last 7 months with Colt, there is a couple 100 billion Colt left, and it started with 6.6666 trillion, and we only have a couple 100 billion left. So if we did that in 8 months, what's going to happen in 2 to 3 months? If you're holding Colt, if you're staking Colt, that ultra deflationary mechanism is massively bullish. But wait, that's just the technical side, the tokenomics side of Colt. It's changing the space by investing in decentralized projects and investing in coin and in real world people and projects. That is changing the world for the good. So all that in short, Colt is a game changer within crypto.
That's bullish. Hopefully that explains it there for Jimmy Hill. Tony Fandango coming in here with some breaking Volt news. Volt got listed on a top tier exchange, Femex, and now partnered with Chainlink for their NFTs. And I just saw it for the first time this morning. Here it is, Femex. Volt on its 34th centralized exchange, and then their NFTs are dropping here. I'm going to buy 𝗪𝗧𝗛 one. I think I might have to buy 𝗪𝗧𝗛, the diamond one, baby. Look how sick these things are. And then they posted this article here showing that they partnered with Chainlink, one of the top crypto companies in the world. Ian, I know you're fired up for these NFTs, baby. How excited are you to get some VDSC NFTs in your vault?
Yeah, man, I'm going to be buying them up. Like I said, I just had a huge come up with with an NFT, and I think Volt is going to be my next big come up because NFTs, you need a community. Volt has the community. I mean, almost over 80,000 followers on Twitter, and you see how fast just their Twitter page they open.
Well over, mate. 84.2, mate.
Bro, it's like 1,000 a day. Like it feels like that. It's not quite that much, but I posted the other day on my Twitter space, on my Twitter account, who's going to diamond hand these Volt Inu NFTs, and that absolutely blew up. I mean, people were blowing that up, and it's people are going to diamond hand them. People are going to buy it, and Volt's going to keep doing what they're doing. It's going to raise revenue to get on more listings, more tier 1 exchanges or future tier 1 exchanges, and not only that, to keep the marketing machine alive.
Absolutely, guys. We're at 65 likes. We're 65% of the way there in honor of my guy, Crypto Journey, a.k.a. Rodney, who I'll be seeing tomorrow. Like the damn stream. 100 likes, and we get some major alpha here from 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗛. I want to hear it because the last 4 or 5 pieces of alpha he's dropped have been accurate. They've been accurate, guys. So we're going to get to know, hopefully, we're going to be talking about where the market's going and what we could think. Jamie Russell just joined. Jamie Russell, welcome to the stream. We're happy to have you here today. Now, let's talk about this. So, how the hell does the White House, the current administration, get to redefine what a recession is? If just because the country's in a recession, you're going to redefine what it is? The United States is in a recession, and crypto starts to boom. Here's the breaking news from Watcher Guru, first reported this morning. United States is officially in a recession following 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth. That's the definition of a recession. I don't know if you guys saw the White House correspondent the other day, I think it was yesterday, trying to say that we're not in a recession. What are your thoughts on this? And let's just go ahead and play this for the people that are watching at home. And then I want to get the audience's thoughts too. I want to get the chat's thought as well. All right, so like I said, 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth equals recession. Let's hear what Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre claims.
We're going so great, though. Then why is it the White House officials are trying to redefine recession?
No, we're not redefining recession.
If we all understand a recession to be 2 consecutive quarters
Yes, you are.
of negative GDP growth in a row, and then you have White House officials come up here to say, no, that's
she
not a
mad?
recession. It's something else. How is that not redefining recession?
Because that's not the definition. That is not the definition.
Brian Deese said in 2008, of course, economists have a technical definition, which is of a recession, which is 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth.
I can tell you this.
Yesterday he said 2 negative quarters of GDP growth is not the technical definition of a recession.
It is
What
not.
changed?
It is not.
Why did he say that?
It is
was?
not. I can
What's the difference other than
I can speak to what he said yesterday in front of all of you, which is the last thing that you just repeated. There are many factors. There are many factors, economic factors and indicators to consider. And I will say that the definition of recession is not 2 negative quarters of GDP. We have a strong labor market.
Labor market. So that's what's going on there, guys. I mean, just because you're in a recession, you don't want to be in a recession, you can just change the definition. Like they changed what the definition of a recession is. We're in a recession. We're in a recession. There's no denying that.
I mean, I just love, though, how crypto's pumping, because crypto was always meant to be a hedge against the markets. And it's so cool to see it actually like doing that. You know, there's manipulation in crypto, just like there is in stocks, but it's cool to see, you know, the market's kind of in a downward trend and crypto going the opposite way. I love to see that. That fires me up.
Absolutely. 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧, what are your thoughts, man?
Are we at 100 likes yet?
We're pretty damn close. We're at 76. Guys, 112 people in here. All we have to do is 1-to-1. 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧, Ian, you guys like to stream too. Like the damn stream, guys.
I
like
did.
to stream. And let's see. 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧 has some alpha, guys. So if you haven't yet, make sure to join us. It's free to like that like button. It's probably going to be some alpha that's going to help you make some money or be smarter here in the very, very near future. So let's get up to 100 likes here on YouTube right now. The likes are climbing. The likes are climbing. We're in the 80s. We're about to be in the 90s.
Go.
Jimmy Hill liked it. They are still climbing, climbing. Like that button, guys, and let's get to 100 likes. We're less than 15 away. Less than 15 away
and
before
Jake,
we get to alpha.
Don't forget, man, you're giving away 5K in HBAR. Right?
5 racks today, baby. We're gonna give away 5 racks, son. $5,000, son.
But as far as recession, I want to go on a recession thing a little bit. Dude, there's one of 2 ways to go here. The last time they say do not worry, everything is okay. Usually everything is not okay. But there's always a but to that. The but to that is we all know about this. And I said it once again, and I'll keep saying it until until people are just convinced. But the fact that we knew about a 0.75 increase, I said we're going to pump. Are we at 100 yet? Are we at 100 likes yet?
95, guys. 5 away, guys.
5 more.
5
Who
people
are the
like to
5
stream.
lazy
We
people
got some
right now?
alpha. We got some alpha for you. Smash that like button if you have
We're
not yet.
so close, and it has to do with this subject. So I would love.
Let's go.
I would love to 5 more people hit that damn like button, so I can just throw this out here.
We got
'Cause it
3.
has a
We're
lot to
almost
do with
there.
this.
Let's do the countdown, guys. Smash that like
Right
button. We're gonna
there.
get some alpha, and there you are, over 100 likes. 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗖𝗧.
Bam! Here we go. All right, I'm sick and tired of these corporate people saying blah blah blah. Everyone's afraid of the recession. Everyone's like, "Oh, the recession's here." Blah 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 blah. I'm gonna go and say it. It's all priced in, Jeeps. Everyone knew a month, 2 months, 3 months ago that we were going into a recession. Did we not all know this?
Yes.
Now we are here. Why was markets crashing? Because we're going into a recession. But we all knew where we were going. The only difference is everybody was just a little too bearish, in my opinion. So I'm going to step out on a limb that no one else is out there. And I'm going to say it.
Say it.
The bottom is in.
The bottom is in.
I knew it. When you met up with Sue Gangan, I knew it. Thanks, Sue.
I believe the bottom is in.
I agree.
believe we can go up and just literally just. I have to go with facts on this, and I have not researched the facts yet. But when I get back to my office, I'm pretty sure my facts are going to line up, and I will gladly take this back and change my mind if so. But based off the news alone, when we got bearish news and crypto is pumping, we are usually in a bull market.
Just what you said, man, in Atlanta.
I mean, dude, said it a while ago, and it's literally happening. But everyone's so bearish, they won't see it. They don't see it, and I'm seeing it, and I'm like, we're pricing this in. We're pricing this dip in, 100%. And everyone was like, "Oh, here it is. We're going down." I'm like, "Nope," because we went down way too soon, which means the big boys are pricing it in with the price of Bitcoin. I believe that bottom is in, and I believe that people are going to be searching for that $10,000 Bitcoin the whole time, and they're never going to get it because it's going to play with you for a while, and you're going to assume that it's going to go lower. If it goes lower, puny, just by a little bit. It ain't going that much lower. In my opinion, the bottom is in. The 300-week moving average is moving up and up and up every week. And we haven't even hit it yet. And when we hit it, if we even hit it, bam, we're going. Wow. So in my opinion, if you get a chance to get in $17,000, not financial advice, next time we even go over there, I'm going 90% all in net worth.
That's beautiful, man.
Net worth into crypto.
So do you think that there's a chance that the bottom is in at 17.5? Do you think that we will see crypto drop a little bit more in the next couple days, couple weeks?
I do believe, no, it'll be a couple months.
Couple months.
We're going to play around. We're going to play around. We're going to go up. And we're going to get everybody bullish again. And I have a feeling we could play out what we did in 2020. The 300, this is my alpha. In 2017, the 200-week moving average was a key player. And I think we're repeating that just with the 300-week moving average. So I have to, once again, I have to verify this. But I truly believe that, like, it's in. Like, that's it. Like, it's in. It matches up with the technicals. It matches up with the fundamentals. It has been priced in. I'm going to tell you right now. Your ultra bearish people, this is what they're going to say. Well, we printed so much money that's the reason why it's $17.5 instead of $10,000, because it had to effectuate for the price, and because we printed so much money, that's why it didn't hit $10,000. Wrecked. It's exactly what's going to happen. So why I say 90% is my money's in if we go back down there, and because I'm already close to being there anyways. If we go down, I have 10% buying in at $6,000.
Wow.
6,000. It ain't going to 10. It's either in or we're going to $6,000 in my opinion.
So what about Richard Hart? Richard Hart saying 10K? Is that not going to happen?
Richard Hart was also wrong about calling the top on the day too. So he didn't call the top on the day. He called the top in April, and now he claims that because we did a Judas candle on November 10th, 5% higher, that doesn't count as being a high. I'm sorry, it went up for 17 weeks and created a new high. That is a new high. Whether you want to say it or not, it is a new high. So Richard Hart is a great marketer, but Richard Hart has been wrong a lot. He just knows how to turn the narratives into his right. He was wrong. He did not call the high on the day because it went higher. Point blank. If, ands, or buts, whether or not the price went higher from when he called it.
Absolutely.
Look at the charts. It went higher. So that is not the high. He called a good high. He called a good play, but it was not the high. So when you hear that advertisement, that marketing scheme, I don't care what you say, during that time that he was claiming the high on the day, we were smashing it. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧 and crew was smashing it, hitting 100Xs one after another during his quote unquote high. Here to tell you, we were smashing it. We was killing it that whole time. So if we're killing it, what kind of bear market do you smash out multiple 100Xs? Because we weren't in the bear market. That simple. That simple. We weren't in the bear market. So I believe the low is in. I believe that we can go higher and crash back down. Absolutely. But when we crash back down, it will be higher than 17.5.
We like
and
that.
If I'm wrong, I have 10% of my net worth. I got smashed on that one. 10% of my net worth, just in case I'm wrong. It's all about probabilities. And you take out your money versus on the probabilities. That's all it is. So Moon King 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧 is here saying on July 27th, after meeting up with Mama Sue, we discussed the markets. Me and Mama Sue discussed the markets. And we came to conclusion that the bottom is in.
The bottom is in, ladies and gentlemen. Look, this is bullish news. Let's give away some HBAR to celebrate. Let's do $2,000 worth of HBAR going out right now, guys. If you haven't yet, this is pinned to the top of my profile picture. Go retweet this. Go send your HBAR address, and we're going to do another one specifically for Twitter in just a second. But let's go ahead and do the first giveaway winner here. And Ian, how's the audience? How's the music? Is it too loud in the background? Sounds good on my end. Can you guys hear the music? Sounds good on my end.
Sounds good, man.
All right, cool. Well, let's get this first giveaway started here in just a second. On the next beat drop, we'll do it, guys. And we're going to get a tweet out in just a second as well. But go retweet the pin tweet to the top of my profile picture. When the next beat drops, we're going to be doing another giveaway here. George L said, do you still support OMI? Absolutely. Never sold a single OMI token in my life. I'm holding that shit till 2025 at minimum. 2025 at minimum. They're building some great stuff here. I'm going to get another tweet out here that's going to be something that's Twitter specific. But until then, let's get this music up, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're ready to go. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗧 met up with Mama Sue. The bottom's in. We're ready to give away some HBAR, baby. Let's give away some HBAR on the live stream right now, ladies and gentlemen. Here's our song, 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧. Here's our song, 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧. The participants are in. These are for $1,000 each, ladies and gentlemen. $1,000 each. Crank that shit up today. We're going to party. It's Thursday. Y'all ready for this? The Ellard family. How about that? A big win there. The Ellard family and DST are going to win $1,000 of HBAR each. How's HBAR even performing today? How's HBAR performing today?
Let's check it out.
Altcoin market cap.
And
remember, HBAR really hasn't had its run yet. So, I think HBAR this cycle, I'm going to call this cycle because I'm calling it the bear market's over. So we are in a bullish cycle. It's just going to take a long time, but I think this cycle, Hedera is going to go for it.
Nice. Yeah, I agree. I mean, after doing my research on it, I'm like, I like this blockchain. I like what they're doing. And I like the fact that a lot of these great games like Lithos are getting built on the Hedera blockchain, which is super, super bullish. Shout out to Lithos for sponsoring this stream. I sent a link to Mike if he wants to join us. I'm not sure if he's in. He's probably working busy, the CEO of Lithos. They're building an incredible game. Ian, you had the chance to talk to Mike and understand the project a little bit more. What are your thoughts on Lithos?
Yeah, I mean, Mike was an amazing guy. His resume was outstanding, obviously working in PlayStation. And, you know, it's a project that they're taking a lot of time. Like you can tell they're paying attention to detail. It's going to come out to be one of probably the sickest play to earn games on especially the Hedera network. But I would say even a bold statement to say anywhere. I mean, you have guys that are coming from the OG PlayStation era that are coming out to make a play-to-earn game, and they're using the 𝗖𝗎𝗡𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧 network, you know, the Hedera network, which is unique. And you know, I think as we start the next cycle called by 𝗪𝗧𝗛𝗏, you're going to see a lot more meme coins. You're going to see a lot more projects perform on different blockchains like Hedera, like the Kronos network. I think you're going to see it expand. It's not just going to be Ethereum and BSC, you know, and obviously Ethereum is the big dog, but also then you have Pulse Chain coming along in the way that's going to throw, you know, it's going to really mix things up in the whole network, in the whole crypto space. So I think Lithos has a very bright future, a huge potential for just exploding with it becoming the play-to-earn game, the coin dropping the token. And obviously you have the right people behind it. They're running it like a professional business. They're making it like the most professional game you can imagine. I mean, PlayStation guys, I mean, that's the OGs of all video games. And it's something I'm looking forward to. It's something I want to invest in. It's something I want to continue to grow my knowledge in. And I had the chance to meet Michael, such a sincere, nice guy, and can just tell he's looking to take it to new levels.
Should we bless people? That was beautifully said, man. And I agree with everything you said here. Let's bless people, guys. This is now live on my Twitter page. Giveaway time, $1,000. We're going to do $4,000 to the 𝗖𝗎𝗏 participants that sent their 𝗖𝗎𝗏 addresses. And then we're going to give $1,000 to the people that just, all you have to do, retweet this tweet and follow 4 people to win $1,000. How should we split this up? I'm going to ask Ian and 𝗪𝗧𝗛𝗏, and I'm going to ask the chat as well. How should we split this one up? Should we do this one 4 winners of 250? Should we do 2 winners of 500? Or should we go Moon King / Hurricane UFC style and do a rack?
Go Moon King style, the Hurricane style, and just hit them. We're going to go Crypto King style.
Let's go.
And I say we just hit them. Someone's going to be pumped that they got $1,000 worth. And that's how I think we should go. I wouldn't mind 50-50, but I really think someone should just like be blessed today and just be bam.
Ian, what do you think? Chat, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the chat. Chat, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you say 1, 2, or 4? Chat, let us know. 𝗪𝗧𝗛𝗏 says 1. Ian, what do you think?
You know how I think, man. Like
I know how you think.
Last time I put it out there, 5K, and to a guy that was really deserving of it. You know, a hardworking middle-class guy who really needed to come up like that, and he got blessed that day. It was so cool. He came live on the stream. If you missed that, go back in Jake's YouTube channel and find that, because you're going to see a real live reaction of a guy who is now able to support his family, and hopefully with it pumping, it's going to be life-changing money. And 5K would explode anyone. But let's go with I'll vote for 2.
2 people. Shout out to Older Fatter. Shout out to Jimmy Hill in the house. My 2 guys. They already knew that though. Hey, doing numbers. Yee other way. Come on. Let's so he said, wait, you said 2?
Yeah.
How the hell are you gonna say you just did a 5K giveaway? You went 1 and then you go for 2. I was not expecting that. Jennifer Flores said, brought tears for real. Not just for real, but for real. Bought tears. Shout out to Homie Clicks. Get the likes up to keep the engagement up. Let's go, guys. Smash that like. We probably got more alpha coming. And shout out to the crypto shop, T Hobbs in the building. Me and T Hobbs went. At least he's alive. I said T Hobbs. His wife was giving us some trouble last night on the stream. So T Hobbs, blink twice if you're in trouble. And he's like this on the stream. He's like. So at least we know that he's alive today. T Hobbs is alive.
That was 3 times, bro.
𝗪𝗧𝗏𝗏 might have just dropped his phone in the water. I think he might have just dropped his phone in the water. Oh, he did. He dropped his phone in the water.
Oh, no.
Oh, he's back. I thought he dropped his phone.
Did you drop your phone?
Yeah, he did, dude, for sure.
Yeah, it's dying right now.
Might have been dying. Well, he's off. He'll come back here in just a second, guys. Go retweet this. Let's get this up here. And Ian, let's talk about the Coinbase thing. I know you want to chat about Coinbase a little bit. Let's pull it up. Let's talk about Coinbase a little bit. I mean, what's been on your mind with Coinbase, the SEC lawsuit, Coinbase, SEC lawsuit?
It could be FUD, you know, it could be, but I mean, there's a real live lawsuit going on. I don't know what article exactly I brought up. There it is right there. 𝗪𝗧𝗏𝗏, she's back. But yeah, I mean, the Coinbase is in a lawsuit with the SEC right now. They're doing some inside trading. It's about people that are getting listed, and they're talking about something with bankruptcy, man.
All right, well, here's the thing with that. So they had 1 employee. Like, I did some research on the insider trading. Coinbase had 1 employee that knew that a couple tokens were going to get listed. He ended up buying, I think, like a couple $100,000 worth, turned it into quite a bit, and sold it. That was first reported by Kobe. Kobe reported that on that same day that he reported it. The lead chief security officer of Coinbase commented on it. A couple months later, they arrested the guy. So I don't know if that's necessarily too big of an issue. That's the insider trading. Now, I think they're also getting sued for listing securities, right? That's something that I saw most recently yesterday. And Coinbase put out an article saying, hey, they put out a tweet, I think, saying, hey, we've been trying to work with the governments for a while. Like, the rules are so old, the rules are so antiquated, like we can't change our regulations, like we need new regulations. So they're working through it. I think Coinbase is working in the best interest of the people. I still today think Coinbase is one of these safer exchanges. You guys know how I feel about exchanges. Get all your money off them if you can, put them into a hardware wallet. But out of the exchanges that are out there today, I do believe that Coinbase, FTX, and Binance are probably three of the safest, in my personal opinion. That being said, get all your crypto off exchanges. That's number one. But I don't think there's anything to worry about with Coinbase. Yes, the stock is tumbling. Cathie Wood sold an incredible amount of Coinbase stock yesterday. But long term, I don't think that there's any issues with Coinbase. 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧, your thoughts? Phone in the water.
Phone in the water again. What's your thoughts on Nancy Pelosi? And I think I tweeted it out the other day. They said Elon Musk actually tweeted out that she should be investigated. It just says full-time, the biggest investment genius delivered an average of an annual return of 20% for shareholders. And then that's Warren Buffett. And then you got Nancy Pelosi, part-time stock trader, delivered an average annual return of 69% for herself.
Yeah, she's I mean, dude, it's insider trading, and like the Democrats just are putting into law that people within the House, Senate, and higher ups like that, and their families cannot trade in the stock market. 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗖𝗧, I don't know what's going on with your phone, but we'll bring you back in. But I think that should be true. But I think ultimately, if she can't trade the stock market, she just needs to start an OnlyFans. As you can see here, man, who thought Nancy Pelosi had juggernauts like that under there? Who thought Nancy Pelosi had some juggernauts like that under there, boys? I mean, come on, Nancy, looking good for 85.
Yeah, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you. Okay.
Yeah, I just wanted to go over Coinbase real quick. Insider trading has been going on the regular stock market for ever since its inception. Now that Coinbase is now a publicly traded company, they're looking more into that type of stuff. But you know, they're going to get a slap on the wrist. That's it. They're fine. Like, yeah. Once again, that's more of that news that tries to freak people out to make everyone think it's over for Coinbase. Dude, it's not over for them guys. Like, they're just beginning. And to hear all this stuff that everyone's all like, oh, Coinbase is going down, blah, blah, blah. Coinbase is not going anywhere. It's the most trusted exchange out of all exchanges. They've been with the government going through Fed meetings and all this stuff for years. You think over one employee that got caught for insider trading that they're just going to end all that relationship with the Fed? Come on now. That's how they're going to get all their taxes. How the government's going to get all their taxes from Americans is through Coinbase and them reporting their information. So you'd be stupid to just ban it. Like, it's just like I said, once again, just bearish news that creates pumps and freaks people out and thinks the price is going to lower when it's not. It's not even news to me. I
would agree.
Yeah, I mean, it was more than just the insider trading. They're in a lawsuit with the SEC for they're listing stuff that they said. Help me out, Jake.
Say it again.
What else? Like, what's the SEC's beef?
There was a recent one, like, yes, the insider trading, but there was a recent one just about like listing securities and how they label securities. Theolen said, "Oh shit, there is a shark behind you. Watch out, 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗖𝗧, there's a shark." 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗖𝗧. Oh shit, he's getting eaten on camera. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Stop. John Yo said, "Be professional, guys." So, John. It's the crypto.
Don't play with me like that, man.
We got one of the guys in the ocean.
I'm out. Don't play with me.
He's already out. Look, he's already out. Bleeves is on. He said Sausage Fest. Bleeves, you need to join us.
Big Roots doesn't play around with sharks, man. Don't do that to me.
I don't either, bro. Brandon Yates said, "Where are the waves?" He's swimming in the bathwater in Tampa, Florida, so he's got that. That Gulf of Mexico. But let's give out another 2K. I'm feeling good. Let's give out another 2K. And as Brandon Yates says, don't sleep on Ztox. It's better than taking a detox. Just buy Ztox. You guys should clip that up and use that in your Telegram. Pretty bullish news right there. Jake Armies, and shout out to everybody that's joining us here on this beautiful morning, guys. We are going to be doing more of these streams every Thursday at 9:30 a.m. PST and every Tuesday on Twitter with Ian Heinisch, guys. We're trying to bring more fun into crypto. But get that music up. Let's do another giveaway here for the community. $2,000.
Daniel Kemp.
And Ricardo Pires.
Pires. It's all about the shoulders, Jake. Jake's, you're gonna be doing that all weekend, huh?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be
UFC fight this weekend
out.
Is in Dallas. You excited for it? Pretty good card. I'm excited for the card.
Yeah, man. I'm excited. I get to hang out with the Moon King B-Roots at the Marshall Inu Mansion, almost 10,000 square feet. And we are going to have an amazing day with some UFC fighters as well as investors of Marshall Inu. So, B-Roots, what's your thoughts? Are you bullish or bearish?
You guys hear me? I can't hear you guys. So hold on. I'm trying to
we can hear you.
Did you drop your phone?
Yeah.
He dropped his phone.
Let's go over this real quick. Who do we got? On the main card? I've been pretty. I think I'm batting like 750 on my UFC fights. I've been pretty good. Let's start from the top. Juliana Pena, Amanda Nunes.
I would say, oh man, I think Juliana's gonna win it again. I don't know why.
I'm taking Amanda Nunes. She looks fucking good. She looks in shape, and she's ready to get that vengeance. Kai Kara France versus Brandon Moreno. Kai Kara France. Damn, we're going against each other. Derek Lewis versus Sergey Pavlovich.
The Black Beast.
I don't know. He's looked pretty bad in his last couple fights. Sergey Pavlovich, former champion in his last couple leagues. I'll probably go Black Beast too. Alex Perez, Alexander Pantoja.
Perez.
I don't know too much about either. Anthony Smith versus Magomed Ankalaev.
Man, I like Anthony Smith, but this Magomed guy, he's a savage, bro.
I agree. I'm gonna go Magomed, Derek Lewis.
What about
Kai Kara France?
What about the Luke Rockhold fight? That got canceled.
Brother.
Why?
Yeah, it's on the 280 card. It's in 278. Excuse me. It's in Utah, which we'll be going to in Utah, baby. Which will be very, very, very fun. But a quick look at the charts, guys. A lot of people are joining us here today. Crypto's pumping. We're feeling good. The Moon King is on. He just gave us some great alpha and said that the bull market has begun. The bull market has begun. The bottom is in. $23,000 Bitcoin. I went shopping yesterday. I bought quite a bit of Bitcoin and quite a bit of Solana. Nice little day shopping in the crypto market. What's the chat buying? Chat, what are you guys buying? Chat, have you guys been buying? Have you guys been holding off? Let me know your strategy. I've been telling you guys my strategy for the past couple months, how I've been purchasing cryptocurrency. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing, just dollar cost average again. I'm probably not buying today because we're seeing a nice little pump. But afterwards, I will be buying once it does come down. Buffo on the Beat just said he gave us some alpha. Nunes decision, and we get a third grudge match. Pavlovich first round KO. Pantoja KO. Ankalaev decision. And Bree said, so sad I won't be at Hard Summer. Oh, we're going to miss you. We're going to be raging with Rodney. You got a nice little Airbnb. It's going to be fun. Bleav said I made 450 on ETH this morning and 320 the next step. Damn, Bleav. Bleav is balling over there, Ian.
He is, man.
Bleav is balling out of control. Here's B-Roots. Is he in? Nope, he's still out. He's still out. Bring him in. Pump my bag, sir, said MRI. MRI bullish, baby.
Oh, let's go.
MRI bullish, baby. Moon King? Moon King, are you there? Nope. No Moon King. No Moon King today. But yeah, crypto's pumping. Volt Inu. About to kill that zero, Ian. Up 14% of the day and pumping. Absolutely pumping. BTFA almost at that $7 million market cap. How's Colt doing? Colt is pumping as well, 9% on the day. And then Revolt hitting all-time highs, man. Hitting all-time highs.
Man, look at that. Revolt, what's it at right now? It looks like it dipped a little. Am I echoing?
No,
Oh, to me, I mean, it's weird.
not to me.
Okay.
I think the Sharks got B Roots, dude. I think the Sharks actually got him, dude. Is he okay? Should we call him? Like, is he all right? I think the Sharks might have got to him.
Let me text him.
Yeah, I think someone said there was a shark. You saw how fast he ran out. Bro, he ran out of there so quick. He's like, yo, fuck. I would do the same shit though. Like, even if there's not a shark around, like just hearing the word shark in the ocean is not fun.
I mean, I spearfish with them.
You don't care. Yeah, you're wild though. You're also a UFC fighter. You get locked into a cage with another beast for a living and fight till death.
Yeah.
Not death, but fight till shit goes on.
Yeah.
Shout out to that guy. That guy said, yo, what up, that guy? How you doing, my brother? Shout out to that guy. He is that guy. So Revolt is pumping. Make sure B Roots is alive and healthy. And we're going to be doing this next giveaway here in just a second. But we're going against each other. Should we make some bets against each other on those the UFC fights? I got Nunes.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't bet on that one. But I'll bet on the other ones.
Dude, this giveaway is pumping 200 retweets in 14 minutes, Ian Heinisch.
Wow.
That's
nice,
bullish news. Shout out to the audience. Someone's going to win $1,000. We already have 4 people. We already gave out $4,000 in the stream, and we're going to give out 1,000. So did we come to a conclusion? I think we leave it up to Bree. I think Bree's the decision maker on the stream. Bree, do we do one fatty for 1,000 or do we split it up? Crypto Mando said the bottom's in. Believe said, I just watched that MF in the glass cage and the great white bum rushed into the cage to get him. What? Oh, the great white. I just watched that. I'm guessing there was a video of some guy in a glass cage and a great white bum rushed into the cage to get him. No way. Is that online? Life Changer just entered the giveaway. Let's go, Jake. Awesome. Wow. Let's go. Young Jedi's on. What's up, Young Jedi? Crypto Priest said 2. Believes it. I'll send it to you. Please do. Jennifer Flores in here, guys. And as always, guys, we love you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in on this beautiful morning here. We appreciate you guys tuning in to the stream. Having fun here. We're almost at 200 retweets. I think once we hit 200 retweets, we'll do it. B Roots literally keeps going on and off. There he is.
B Roots.
Bro, that damn shark. I just got out of that shit.
You got scared, huh?
This boy, B Roots, the first black man ever to outrun a shark.
You actually see it?
I
saw something behind you.
Shark, bro.
I saw something behind you, bro.
Oh, well, I'm on land right now, so.
Oh, not now, but earlier I saw something behind you. Crypto Mando said, I thought Roots got bit.
That means the Crypto Kings have to go in a swimming contest because I just outswam a shark.
Ian already knows how that goes. Ian already knows how a swimming contest goes.
That rematch. I slipped off the wall, man.
Bro, it's on video twice of Jay-Z.
It is on video.
I beat a professional UFC fighter, which I don't really know if that means too much.
Nah, I saw that video. I don't stand a chance. I don't stand a chance.
Yeah. I'm like, but I got the Michael Phelps body. I'm 6'4". I'm lanky. I've been swimming my whole life.
You could scratch your knees.
Bree said 2, so we're doing 2. It's up to Bree. This is the Bree Gagan show, the Bree Giordano show. She said 2, so we're doing 2. Jonathan Fulp said he could take us in swimming. You think Jonathan can take me in?
No.
You don't even know who Jonathan is? He could be a pro swimmer.
No, man. He's not. I know the guy.
You know Jonathan?
Yeah, we go way back.
Homie Click said Bybit is holding a buy vote competition. We need more supporters to vote for Volt Inu on Bybit. I put my votes in. It looks like 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧 going to take that, though. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧's got a strong ass community. Still, even with all the different things that have happened with the project, they still have a strong ass community, and they're showing that today. They deposited like over what, $1 million or some shit, like a lot of money, $7 million or something.
Is 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧 gonna pump?
Only time will tell. I think it will. Because the community is so strong. The development team continues to build, and like as the market turns around, a lot of these tokens will pump. So I do think that it will eventually. Yep.
Sorry.
We got to win this Bybit. I put all my money in. I voted for Volt. Hopefully we do. Yeah. Jonathan Phelps said, "You don't know him." Let's give out this next $1,000, guys, on the Jake Gagan show. But before that, B Roots believes actually sent the link of the shark. Let's show this. Hopefully we won't get copyrighted for this. So laggy. Let's see if we can turn this up.
You got to get that Wi-Fi upgrade.
All right, you got the iPhone 12 talking shit again? iPhone 10?
There's a shark here.
Fuck
Oh, he's
that.
Australian.
Fuck this.
Why?
I would hate to be in there. What do you mean, why? There's a 20-foot killer, and you're in a glass cage with it.
Two bumps now that have been pretty deliberate. What's that?
Oh my.
What's that?
Bro, he just went through that shit.
No, he didn't.
God, the Wi-Fi. God damn
Bro,
Wi-Fi.
that's good Wi-Fi.
Bro, call me on your iPhone 10.
Maybe instead of buying all this Solana, you can
What's that?
buy some better Wi-Fi.
Oh my goodness, bro. B-Roots, I don't even know if you want to be watching that while you're in the water, brother.
Bro, why y'all doing that to me, man?
It's Bleaves. He's the one doing it. Oh,
Why y'all
shit.
doing that to me, man?
Bro, what's behind you right now? B-Roots.
Shut up, man.
Bruce.
Don't,
Oh my, no, I'm not
I'm already
kidding.
out.
B-Roots.
I'll
He's looking for a shark. Oh man,
this
that
is
was
my territory, man. I'll wrestle alligators. I won't wrestle sharks.
Yeah, that shark thing was too crazy. You're gonna wrestle alligators? No chance you wrestle alligators.
Yeah, I'm more afraid of an alligator than a shark. I'm not gonna lie.
I think Ian, you would
Oh
probably
no
win
way, man!
against an
Here's the thing.
alligator.
Here's the thing. Alligators are sitting close to land. So as long as you're out in the middle of a lake or in the middle, some alligators ain't messing with you. Sharks,
Maybe they're under
you
the
decide
water.
to go
though.
out into the ocean, you don't know what you're going to get.
I do though, because I'm spearfishing there all the time.
Ian likes the ocean, bro. He literally goes in there with sharks.
Yeah,
like,
man, you don't got to mess with them alligators out in the middle of the ocean.
Yeah, well, what about saltwater crocs in freaking Australia? If there's a saltwater crocodile in the water, I'm out.
Facts.
Now I'm bearish on that.
Facts.
Yeah, but that's the thing. What you can see is what you want to avoid. What you can't see is what gets you. Them sharks, you don't know when they're going to. And Florida's known for these shark attacks. They just had one not too long ago, didn't they?
Yeah,
I don't watch the news on that.
they always do, guys. And I think it's time because I think we all have to end in about 8 minutes. So let's give out some H-bar on the Jake Hagan Show. Let's get that music back up, guys. Let's give out some H-bar and let's bless the community. We got a good song we got to go to. Right here, live on the Jake Hagan Show. The final giveaway. Bree said 2 winners. Cat T said, my brother would love to go spearfishing with you, Ian. Can we make that happen?
Go, yeah.
When you drop your NFT lines, we got to make that happen.
All right.
More gator attacks lately than sharks? That sounds terrible, bro. A gator attack? That sounds fucking
That would suck, bro. You
terrible.
get rolled around.
Bro, there was shout out to Daniel Camp and Ricardo Perez. We're gonna be sending this. In my old neighborhood in Florida, there was this chick. My mom told me about this recently. There was a chick that would like she had like some sort of like mental, I don't know if she was like autistic or something, but at night she would go swimming in the lake. She would go swimming in the pond, dude. And there's gators. Like, it's known that there's gators in the pond. We live on a golf course. She would go swimming in the pond. And then recently, bro, and at night, she would take off all her clothes to go swimming in the pond. Recently, she did, and the gator got her and just took her down and ate her, dude.
No. Who is
Yeah.
this?
Just some chick that like lived in my neighborhood.
Oh my God.
A girl, too. It's like, imagine how sad you would be if you found that out about your daughter. But it's like, I mean, dude, don't get naked and go swimming in the pond at night with a gator. Like, when you know that there's gators in there.
They finally got her?
Like, yeah, like after months of doing it, the gator fucking attacked her.
Yo, Ian, man, when you get into town, man, we got the MRI mansion party tomorrow.
That's tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Is it tomorrow?
Damn.
Thursday? I don't even know what day it is.
Is tomorrow Friday?
Yeah, tomorrow's Friday.
That's what happens when you're in a bull market. You know, you got 3 years left of upside, so you just don't care about what day it is. You're not worried about the bear market anymore.
Yeah. When are you going, Ian? Is the party tomorrow?
Yep.
Hold on. Let's get a little controversial. Because Jake, I don't think you believe.
He's bearish.
I just got that little hint that Jake is not bullish right now. Well, let's get the truth, man. Where are you right now? Let's get the honest truth.
We're your
you
friends.
know my stance.
Look,
so Jake and Ian, you gotta get your stance.
I'm forever bullish on crypto. I think crypto is going to be here long term, but in the near term, I do think that we're going to see the markets dip down a little bit more. So, am I bullish long term? Yes. Do I think that we're going to go to $100,000 tomorrow? No. Do you think? So we did an episode not too long ago where we said where we thought Bitcoin was going to go, and we all gave all-time highs that were higher than the 69,000. So the question is, I'm gonna turn it back around. Do you think 17.5 is the low? Ooh,
he's bearish. Look at him.
No, I'm thinking because like we're on YouTube. This is recorded. I want to make sure I give accurate information. And
it's just an opinion.
It's just an opinion, man. It doesn't mean anything whether you're right or wrong. No, I mean,
I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I could
see it going. I'm gonna tell you one thing.
I could see it going lower.
Never be 100% in my opinion, not financial advice. Be 100% because you could always be wrong. In the end, this is all probabilities, and what a probability is basically a calculated guess, is what it is.
I think it could go lower. I think we could see. I don't know why, but the number 16,000 is ringing loud in my head. I think we could go lower.
Okay, Ian, you're up.
Hurricane on the spot. Let's make him as big as we can.
I'm so bullish, man. Like, I think we're gonna touch like 19. And we're going straight up.
So you're in my ballpark. You're saying the low is in.
Yep.
I like it.
Could be.
2 against 1. Unanimous decision.
What's the chat say? What does the chat say, guys? Let me know what the chat says. Chat, what do you guys think? Is the low in? 17.5 is the low in? We're asked the chat here. Kareem's on, said B-Roots, my guy. B-Roots said we, not I, like B-Roots would be saying. We already hit the low.
There you go.
B-Roots swimming turned this day into Thursday for the ladies. Thursday. Well, with the Fed sniffing, I think we can see another drop soon in the bounce back. 15K low, maybe. Jennifer says it's not in. So people are kind of conflicted here, as they should be. I think we hit the low, says Dom. Dom is a former coworker of mine at Zendesk. He said, I think we hit the low.
So are we more lows in than highs in, or lows in or lower? Which one's winning?
We got more lowers, I think. If the low is not in, I'm glad it's still up. Yep, the low is in 19K. I think it's like 50-50 if you look at the comments. I think the low is in 19.5, then we will explode. I think it's 50-50.
Yeah. And you know what? That's how it should be.
Yeah.
When you are one way or the other, go the opposite way. You'll see me do polls and ask questions. It's to see what the majority of the market thinks. And almost every single time I will go the opposite way.
I like
when
that.
you see 50-50, that means no one's confident, no one's bullish. It could go either way. Choose a way, because you could be right or wrong. Just don't be afraid. Just don't be afraid of what your decision that you make. Because in the end, $17,000 Bitcoin or whatever altcoin you want to get in is nothing compared to what you will likely see in 2 to 3 years or less.
Exactly.
It's nothing. Exactly. Whether you get in that 17,000 or 11,000 Bitcoin and you decide to buy some Bitcoin, what is the difference between that when the price is at 500,000?
Nothing.
You're gonna look at more right now, baby. You're gonna look at yourself and be like, I was an idiot for trying to be greedy.
Facts.
And that's what I'm saying. According to charts, technical analysis, according to the news, I'm saying the bottom is in. But if it's not in, I have a light position handy just in case I'm wrong. But I know that I will not miss the boat. I can't give you financial advice, but I know I'm not missing the boat. I got a house to build. I got a house to build, like right here. See those houses?
Oh, you got to build that. You got to build that, baby. You got to build that.
B-Roots wants this house times 10. times 10.
That's how you have to
This
think.
house isn't big enough for me, Roots.
Let's give out this $1,000 to 2 people. 225 people so far. You guys know what happens when that beat drops. We bless the people. Let's turn it up. Let's get crazy on this Thursday. We're partying. B-Roots call the bottom. B-Roots met it with Mama Sue. Let's get that shit going live on the Jake Hager Show. Nen. Special. And guys, that's how we do it here on the Jake Gagan Show. As always, guys, all I ask is that you say congratulations to the people that won Special and also our friend Nen, guys. That was $5,000 of H-Bar given out today live on the Jake Gagan Show. And shout out to Lithos. Lithos sponsoring the stream. Lithos sponsors the stream. B-Roots is in the ocean. Ian Heinisch is at home. Ian, we just hit the hour mark. I know you have to bounce. Final thoughts to the community that joined us here today.
Man, just want to say thank you to the whole community, showing up to Jake's show. It's so entertaining. You guys are winning money. We're having a good time. We're talking about crypto news. We're talking about life. It's always a good time, man. So I appreciate you, Jake, having me on. I'm super excited to be back in the octagon soon, just training like crazy. And B-Roots, man, you're calling it good. And I hope we are in a bear market or in a bull market. Sorry, because I'm ready, man. My bags are packed. I'm ready for altcoins to pump. I'm ready for this big come up. But either way, I'm prepared, and that's how you should be as well. And in this time when we have to wait, be like B-Roots, go in the ocean. Don't focus on the day, the news, the time, the charts, but stay informed when you can. Keep growing in the knowledge because knowledge is power in this game. So make sure you guys follow Jake Gagan. Subscribe if you haven't. If you're listening to the channel tonight and you enjoy it, we're going to be coming to you live every Thursday at the exact same time, 12:30 Eastern and 12:30 Eastern on Tuesday on my page, Twitter page. And we're going to be dropping some alpha, bringing you guys apes of the day. I put out a poll yesterday, and you guys said you want more apes of the day. So we'll give the people what they want. B-Roots is always on the hunt, and as well as me and Jake. So, man, have a blessed rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in Dallas, Texas. B-Roots, on to you.
Take it away, B-Roots.
What's up, peeps? All I gotta say is don't take crypto too crazy. I'm out here spending time with the family. Family is first before money always. But know that us, the Crypto Kings, are 1,000% dedicated to providing you content, giving you the best case scenarios so you can do well in crypto, but not financial advice. But with that said, let's do a little bit of history. In 2018 of December, the bottom of that market was in at $3,100. It took 2 years to go up from $3,100 to $14,000 back down to $10,000. And what happened? COVID came 2 years later and crashed down to what? $3,800, a higher low. So the scenario was worse than what it was in 2018. However, the world ended and it still did not create a lower low from 2018. So when you take that history and say, okay, the world ended, literally shut down, and did not go lower than the 2018 low, the bull market started in 2018. So when you realize that, just because I say the low is in does not necessarily mean it's time to go straight to $100,000. It just means, hey, you might have 2 years, you might have 3 years, you might have 1 year, you might have 1 month to get what you like to get and ride that train up. When that time comes, and if I'm right, and it takes 1.5 to 2 years to get back up, do not be sitting there with your pants down being pissed off that, hey, I had the opportunity. I heard B-Roots call the low, but I'm sitting with no crypto. The bottom line is, in my opinion, the low is in. And whether you get in now or whether you get in later, the gains are going to be higher. So it's up to you to make that decision. It's not financial advice. It's 1,000% up to you. But it took 2 years, and it gave people an extra chance in 2020 to get back in $700 higher than what the actual low was. So, do I believe that's going to happen and play out just like it did? I don't know. But I believe that the low is in, and I'm starting to stack up in preparation for that. But I don't think we'll see a top. Once again, not financial advice. I don't think we'll see a top for another 2 to 3 years. So I'm not saying rush in and go all in right now. Just because 𝗪𝗧𝗛𝗛 does that doesn't necessarily mean you got to do it. Figure out your plan. Do what you got to do. And do what's right for your family so you can do this.
That's a
you
dream.
Can have an opportunity to do this. Look at this person. This person is freaking meditating right now. Do y'all see that?
Now your screen's black.
Ah. Hold on. I want to show y'all something. This is very important. Very important. Hold on.
We can see you.
Do not hang up because I want to make sure y'all see it. You see me
Hang
now?
up. We're on a stream. Yeah, we can see you.
Do you guys see me?
Yeah.
Hold on. Do you guys see me?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you zoom in.
You see that person right
We
there?
see you.
Yeah, meditating.
That person's meditating. Do you think that person cares about what's going on in the world right now? No. That's what we need to get to ourselves. So don't stress out about crypto. Do not stress out. Put yourself in a situation to win. So at the end of the day, you can come out your house and literally do that and have the best life that you can live. That's what it's all about. I have no idea who that person is, by the way. That was not planned out. I have no idea who that is. I'm just telling how it is. That's how you want to live your life.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. And that leads me to believe I haven't been outside all day today. It's 10:39 a.m. I'm going to go get some breakfast, go meditate on the beach here in Orange County. But that's the Crypto Kings every Thursday, 9:30 a.m. PST, every Tuesday, 9:30 a.m. PST on Ian Heinisch's Twitter page. I think we need to mix in something on 𝗪𝗧𝗛𝗛𝗧's page. Maybe we set that up when you get back from your vacation. Hope you guys have a good time in UFC Dallas for the fight. Thank you to everybody that tuned in today. Hopefully you had some fun. Shout out to Lithos for sponsoring the stream. And we'll see you guys next week. I'll be back next week. I'm going to go have some fun this weekend. And we'll see you guys soon. Everybody enjoy. 𝗪𝗧𝗛𝗏 called the bottom. The bottom is in. We'll see if that holds true. We'll see you guys next week. Hope you all have a great day. Peace out, everybody.